morning. Here we are, back in a wheat field. It's not wheat, it's rye, but same thing.
Run the wheat field.
Weed. Show them the crop. Weeds. Like 150 geese in this absolute burner. We are going to beat them.
Beat them is an understatement.
Beat them with the stick.
We're gonna have to shake them off at the end. We're gonna kill so many.
Ready to go or what?
Come over the top, shoot them. Hey, kill them on your side. Don't shoot the hose. Hey, good thing Jake paid attention to the house. Hey, Flagger! Fuck yeah, dude! He's covering the leg. I'm not lying, baby. Let's fight. No. On them two right there. On them two right there, baby. Fucking right, dude. I'm a fucking dog. No way. I'm a fucking dog. No way. Boys, well, we didn't think this morning was gonna work out. Honestly, they decided to roost where they've been loafing. And we probably, I don't know how many that was, probably 10, but they all came in, we mowed them right away. Two peeled out the back, decided to come try again, and sure enough, one of them was banded. Left side shot him at about 55 yards, so that's pretty sweet. Stay tuned for more. Well, we just had 8 more come in, and I think we took down 5, so pretty sweet. Don't leave it. Well, we just finished it up. I think we finished at about 19 in a band, so it's pretty awesome, especially for them roosting really close, and then some bird watcher came and decided to take some pictures. They all got up, and yeah, we haven't seen them since, so could have been better, but early season it's been tough, and we actually managed pretty good little stack, so stay tuned for the next one.